This 2023 Keystone Passport 282QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, microwave, refrigerator, TV, external shower, slide-out, spare tire kit, DVD player, LP detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Passport 282QB is 6,100 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.